Hi there, my name is Eunice Adewusi Klimaradi, and this is my summative at the African Leadership University in Rwanda. I'm very sure everyone has gone through each of these modes at different occasions, but I'm going to be using myself as an example. Whenever I want to research about something online, the before image right here is me being very happy that I found a new information that I want to go research on. But during my research, just like the cat right here, I feel so bored because I am seeing so many information. And then what SpongeBob is doing right here, when you finally find one article after several minutes of search or several hours of search, and you're like, whew, I escaped. Afterwards, just like the rabbit right here, I'm already stressed out, already burned out. Sometimes, just like the frozen character here, after my research, I just go to bed and sleep off. And when I wake up, I continue from where I stopped. And lastly, just like Mona Lisa here, my hair is scattered already because I have gone through so many articles, so many videos. Introducing Bina AI, which is your new best friend, minus all the drama to human friendship. African youth are already aware of the necessary step towards sustainable development goals and are determined to take action. There are different crises happening in different countries, and the youth are aware that actions needs to be taken. But even when they're interested in learning about the sustainable development goals, they still face significant barriers like difficulties searching clear explanations, like I explained earlier. Sometimes they don't have enough guidance, sometimes they are not practical solutions, and these barriers often stem from resources being difficult to understand, resources scattered across different platforms, or most occasions require stronger internet access. But why is this even a problem? Africa's youth, from the statistics by 2050, the United Nations Economic Commission for Africa said is expected to exceed 830 million. This is a very vast number of youth, but it is still untapped because Africa's youth have the potential for rapid economic and social development. But by empowering young people with knowledge and tools to address the SDGs, we can become catalysts for innovation and progress. There are rumors that the United Nations wants to move its headquarters from New York down to Nairobi, Kenya. This shows how much potential that Africa has. Also, a lack of understanding of the SDGs hinder youth engagement and participation in development processes. Because without a clear grasp of the challenges, young people may develop solutions that are not aligned with broader sustainable development goals. And even barriers to accessing information can prevent young people from identifying and capitalizing on opportunities for sustainable entrepreneurship and innovation. Lastly, while technology and digital tools has provided scalable and accessible platforms, some African communities do not have stronger internet access to use these tools. Take Nigeria and Kenya, for example, during the protests that happened in 2024. Kenya youth were protesting against issues in the country, and we saw that internet access was actually disconnected. But during this situation, I realized that they were still able to use WhatsApp. Also, Nigeria currently is undergoing a protest to end bad governance, and there is little to no internet access, with MTN disconnecting even registered numbers. But these people still have access to WhatsApp. This is me telling Google to step aside and that my Bina AI is taking over. To bridge the knowledge gap in SDGs education and youth engagement, which is the major problems that I have discovered from my discussion with youth, I propose developing an accessible interactive platform via a WhatsApp chatbot. So this chatbot, which is Bina AI, will provide easy to understand explanations of the SDGs, showcase real-world solutions to related problems. Users will also be able to learn about the 17 SDGs in a straightforward conversational manner. Users can also ask specific questions and receive tailored responses based on their queries to the bot. Users can also share their ideas or projects and receive feedback on which SDGs their work aligns with and how they can improve their impact. Bina AI was built, designed, and suited with the youth in mind to bridge the gap between them and sustainable solutions for more action in the continent. Now, let me take you through the Bina AI demo video. This is the Flask app running, and Ngrok application is also running simultaneously. Google's Rowdy, try Bina AI today.